Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve you can't tag your friends on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve you couldn't or you can't tag your friends on TikTok, you should just go to settings here. Then you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of TikTok and you click. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.